Tonight's weather. Lots of cloud today, but not much rain to boast about. Whatever's left should be gone tomorrow, and that will lead into some calm, foggy mornings, followed by some warm August days. Today's temperatures were heavily modulated by cloud, leading to a rather warm night for our neck of the woods. Daytime temps were either near average or slightly below across the Wide Bay Burnett, depending how much sun broke through. Let's look at the satellite loop first up. You can see extensive cloud forming across Queensland. It hasn't been an overly fun day. Lots of middle cloud, in fact, so not just showers coming in with a southeast wind. And that's brought very light falls, but enough to make it annoying right the way down the coast and right through the southern inland of Queensland as well. Now, on tomorrow's chart, even though that's an upper level trough, we see a surface one that's a reflection of it. And to the eastern side of that, we've got a high that's in the Tasman Sea that's bringing that moisture coming into the coast with the easterly winds. Now, on tomorrow's chart, the trough and front clears offshore. A new weaker high comes in behind it. That'll drop the winds right down. And having had some rain, it'll produce some extensive fog, especially inland, throughout much of Queensland. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters. Variable winds under 10 knots tomorrow and seas less than half a metre. Couldn't ask for better. Wednesday's winds still 10 knots, but from the south-southeast and then going more easterly for Thursday. Gowrie offshore waters, south to southeast 10 to 15 tomorrow, 10 to 15 again on Wednesday, but more easterly, and even a bit of northeasterly come Thursday. Tomorrow's high tide happens close to midday with a low tide around 6 hours on either side. The recent new moon is waxing again, so the swing's diminishing each day. The Wide Bay Burnett district, some inland fog and then a partly cloudy day, but no rain. Bundaberg 12 up to 23 degrees, Gayndah also 23, Hervey Bay 22 and Maribor 24. Looking ahead for Bundaberg, warm and humid for the second half of this week with temperatures rising well above average. The next rain opportunity will be Friday, Saturday, followed by a cool change. This week's question from Keith Dad: how do we define and measure wave height? Well, there's no universal definition, but the accepted Aussie method is to size up the front face of the wave and take the average height of the top third in a sample of several waves. It's the height between crest and trough that we're trying to estimate here, not between crest and sea level, which is what a back of the wave can give you. In Hawaii, they often size up the back of the wave, and that does cause some confusion. That's it for me, folks. Now it's back to the team.
Hey, terrific, Luke. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company, folks. And don't forget, if you'd like to catch anything again, our 7 Plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. And we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.